Yeah, I just wanted to make this video just to finish up on a review that I did earlier a few days ago. In my last video, I mentioned that I was going to do a full review on these earbuds right here. These are the SHE7000 Earbuds. And when I did the video, I did a two-part video, and I noticed that the first part did not record properly. It recorded, but the audio, there was something wrong with the audio. There was no sound. It was just a tone. But the second part came out good. So I was thinking about doing another review or doing another video on these earbuds. But I realized after using them for just a couple of weeks, this happened. You can see the stem kind of broke right here, this rubber piece that connects to the housing of the earbud came loose. So, I was going to do a whole nother review, but I don't think these are not really worth reviewing. So I'm just going to finish the video, and I'm just going to put this at the beginning of the video because there's not really much to say about these earbuds. And again, they're kind of broke. As you can see, they still work. They work fine, but you can see this stem right here came loose. So I definitely would recommend these as, as a pair of earbuds to buy or to get because of this. If you're looking for a great pair of earbuds, Philips, they still make great headphones and earbuds. I would recommend getting the Philips SHE7105s. The 8105s I'm still using them today, and they're a great pair of earbuds. They sound great. They have a microphone, so you can use them to make phone calls or receive phone calls. And these don't. These are just an average pair of earbuds. They don't have no inline mic, so you can't use these for phone calls or anything. These are just a basic pair of earbuds. So like I said, I wouldn't recommend these because of the quality. See, they just came loose real quick after a couple of weeks of using them, and I didn't really use them that much. But as you can see, came loose. So I would not recommend these. But if you want a good pair of Philips earbuds, just get the 8105s. They are much better. And the sound quality are good on these. They sound pretty good, but again, they just don't have the durability like the other ones. So I just wouldn't recommend these. Just stick to the 8105s, the SHE8105s, and you have a great pair of earbuds. And the bass on these are, they're pretty good, but they're not as good as the 8105s. So yeah, there's not really much to say about these, but that's about it. So yeah, I would recommend these are the SHE7000s. And again, you could just get a different model, the 8105s, and which are much better and they're better quality. So that's about it. I just want to do this quick review to let everybody know what happened to the video. And I think I'm going to still finish the video, but I'm going to add a little bit of background music to the beginning of the first part of the video that had the audio problem. But yeah, so definitely I would not recommend these after using them because of this. It makes it really hard to adjust them in your ear because you have to hold on to this part of the earbud. So yeah, that's about it. So thank you very much. Goodbye.